Hello, good morning, marvelous entrepreneurs. How are you all doing? Well, our today's topic is recharge and reset how many ever times you want, but don't quit. Well, why I selected this uh, is because I heard January has been a bit difficult month to many people, but I think that has been the case with almost everybody. Even established coaches were heard saying that January was a difficult month. It's still not over, but it's not as um, like last year or the previous years. So one thing what I want to tell you here is that see, life can be hard, and sometimes people may be pulling your attention away from what truly matters to you, or you may be spending your energy on um, other others or other things at your sacrifice. Hi Beth, how are you? So no matter the what course you are taking, what course of action you are taking, we all get lost in this um, chaos. But whether you get out or not is up to you. See, you know yourself better than anybody, right? But in spite of that, occasionally we all uh, need that extra hand that can make the difference between our next few steps in order to get up and get going and venturing out. So, what you can do here is I'm just sharing three steps. The step number one is you can reset yourself. See, just as you would um, start writing on a blank sheet of paper, clear your mind. I know that it's not as easy as I say. Forget about what happened yesterday uh, because that chaos, thinking over that chaos and brooding over that is not going to help you. Just be in the present moment. And what you can do is like you need to practice mindfulness here, set new intentions, and like that will help you in being in the present. And that is why like people practice meditation and relaxation techniques, and different people try different things, and it's all up to your convenience what you believe and what you want to practice to become mindful, to be in the present, because it's human tendency that we keep brooding over um, our failures or bad events, whatever happened with us, or and we we do not live in the present. We tend to live either in the past or in the future. So you can try out different things. You can try meditation, relaxation, journal writing, then gratefulness, grateful journaling, then guided meditations are available on the YouTube. Then uh, relaxation musics are available, which is said to relax your mind. So you can try out whatever suits you. So after you relax, because it is very important you keep your body relaxed, you keep your mind relaxed. You need to recharge your body, for which take a deep breath. What you have to do is Take a deep breath and allow the fresh air to get not only in the lungs but the entire body. Visualize the air flowing through your body, beginning uh, from your, you know, from your neck down to your belly, traveling through the spinal cord and then to the brain and spreading uh, on other parts like arms, chest, hips, and throughout the body till the feet. So take a very deep breath and a deep exhalation. Feel yourself becoming more and more grounded uh, to the earth or to the planet where you are living. So after clearing your mind and grounding yourself, it's time for you to realign your thoughts in accordance with your goals and desires. See, what can you do today? Not only enhance the quality of your life, but also those around you. What does the big picture look like for your life? So attach your mind to the completion of those goals and visualize the feelings that will be associated with such accomplishments. Because when you do uh, visualizing the feelings associated with achieving something, accomplishing something, reaching your goals or targets or getting something, those goals become more realistic and your daily actions will naturally guide you towards success. And a lot of experts has agreed upon this. So visualizing your future enhances um, your your boldness to handle the challenges, to face the failures. It will give you more strength to get up and get going. So recharge, reset and recharge, and continue doing your things. Resume, because after you have resetted uh, and recharged your vision, it's time for you to resume where you let off, because that will take you to take action on a daily basis. And to make any changes we need, we must set our vision uh, with concrete action plans. So unleash your energy to that of your goals, and that will take you from where you are now to where you want to, or what you want to achieve, what you want to um, do or get. And just repeat this. So recharge, reset, and resume how many ever times you want, because it's our life. Nobody is perfect. Um, See what we see on the social media, what most people, um, you know, show I mean, show to other people in social media is not the reality in most cases. So it is for you to know that we are all real human beings. We all um, face different situations in our life at a different point of time. But our mind is a very powerful weapon, very powerful but highly underutilized. I repeat it. Our mind is very, very, very powerful but highly underutilized organ, and you need to understand that. That is why, like, we have found this community of marvelous women entrepreneurs for you to help, for you to come and share your uh, concerns and ask for advice, ask for help, and help others. Let us build a community where, like, we can depend on each other for uh, the betterment of every member of this community. See, you have your whole life ahead of you, so get back to it and continue uh, to work towards achieving your goals, whatever it is. I hope I could encourage you to take action and um, get the ball rolling. Let me know whether this worked for you in the comments, and do not hesitate to come and share your concerns and ask for help. So with that message, I'm signing off for today. See you tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and stay marvelous. Bye bye. Have a good day.